Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we delve into the fascinating story of India's journey toward becoming next economic superpower. Join us we explore the key factors and sectors that contribute to India's rapid growth. India's greatest strength lies in its demographic advantages. With a young and dynamic workforce, the country possesses a significant advantages over the other economies. By 2020, the average age of Indian expected to be 29 years as compared to 37 years of China and United States. This youth bulge provides a robust labor forces and a consumer base, driving economic growth through increased productivity, innovations, and domestic consumptions. India's expanding middle class is a vital driver of economic growth. As per estimates, the middle class in India is projected to reach 475 million people by 2030. The rise in disposable income has led to the increased consumption of goods and services, fueling demands across the various sectors such as retail, consumer goods, healthcare, and entertainment. India has emerged as a global hub for technology and innovations. The country has witnessed significant growth in the information technology sectors, with a numerous startup and established tech giants making their marks. Initiatives like Digital India have fostered the adoption of technology in various sectors, including e-governance, fintech, e-commerce, and telecommunications. India has taken several steps to attract foreign investment, liberalizing its economy and simplifying regulations. The government policies such as Make in India, Startup India have resulted in a surge in foreign direct investment across sectors like manufacturing, infrastructure, retail, and renewable energies. These inflows have not only boosted the economy but also created employment opportunities and fostered technology transfer. India has made significant strides in developing its infrastructures. Massive investment has been made in transportations, energy, logistics, and urban development. Projects like Bharatmala Pariyojana and Sagarmala project aims to enhance the connectivity and promote trade and commerce. Infrastructure development not only improve the overall business environment but also facilitate industrial growth and attract more investments. India's economy is characterized by its diversity across various sectors. While agriculture plays a significant role, industries such as manufacturing services, IT, pharmaceuticals, and financial services have emerged as a key contributor to the GDP of the nations. The government focuses on promoting sectors like renewable energy, healthcare, defense, manufacturing, aerospace, further enhances the economic potentials of the country. A diversified economy helps to mitigate the risk of and ensure sustainable growth. As India continues to leverage its strength and addresses challenges such as income inequality and bureaucratic hurdles, it has the potential to transform into an economic superpower. The global stage, the investors and businesses worldwide should take a note on India's remarkable growth trajectories and explore the opportunities for collaboration and investment. Numerous multinational companies have recognized India's potentials and have established successful operations in the countries. Companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Walmart have all invested heavily in India, contributing to job creation and technology transfers. But it's not a large cooperation that's thriving in India. The country's vibrant startup ecosystem seen a surge in innovation ventures across sectors such as e-commerce, health tech, e-tech, and fintech. India's rich cultural heritage and diversity also contribute to its economic strength. The tourism plays a significant role, attracting millions of visitors each year who contribute to the economy through travels, hospitalities, and explore the Indian historical and natural wonders. India has become preferred destination for global businesses, summits, conferences, providing a platform for the knowledge and exchange, network marketing, and partnership. Looking ahead, the future of Indian economic growth appears bright. The government continues to implement reforms and policies that foster a business-friendly environment, increases innovations, and address social changes. Sustainable development is also a key factor for India. The country is investing in renewable energy, eco-friendly practices, and smart cities to ensure greener and sustainable futures. India's journey toward becoming a next economic superpower is fueled by its demographic advantages, growing middle class, technological advancement, foreign investment, infrastructure development, and diversified economy. As India continues to leverage its strength, address its challenge, and foster a conducive business environment, it has the potential to reshape global trade dynamics, contribute to technological advancement, and provide a robust market for diverse industries. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of India's rise as an economic superpower. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on global economies and emerging trends. Until next time, stay tuned and stay informed.